Right, you can all imagine the music playing. It's April 1803 and a squadron of British frigates out of Falmouth are patrolling the waters to the north of the French port of Brest. A French squadron of heavy frigates is returning to port with several prize vessels including a captured British fifth-rate frigate. Their lordships at the Admiralty are not happy. Well, you haven't got enough frigate, but anyway, that's another story. However, fate intervenes as the French ships make their way to safety. Their sails are spotted in the distance by the British squadron who change course to intercept. As the ships close with one another, the British squadron shorten sail to slow their approach lest they sail straight past the French ships. I'm going to give them a moment to turn around and go upwind. Or roll over and sink, whichever comes first. As the ships close with one another, the British squadron shorten sail to slow their approach, lest they sail straight past the French ships. Guns are swabbed out, powder and shot are prepared. The crew on all the ships await the call to action, and the ships close for battle. Gunport to gunport, the order goes out. Open fire. The action becomes. The ships fire as soon as their guns are brought to bear upon the enemy. Short-range carronades are fired into the hulls of the ships, causing havoc below decks. That one's going to need a read. Soon fires are burning on the vessel. The danger of explosion is very real. Past the shot through causing the ships to lose its way, while the French ships are being damaged by cannon fire to settle in the water, parts of it launched. One of the ships. Look out. Shot the mast clean through. Wind shouldn't be a problem for that one anymore. The French ships make good their escape. Fire burns resulted. Over, almost, you see I can keep your mouth shut. With the action almost over, the British ships return to Falmouth to inform their lordships of the resounding victory. And to break out the rum rations and celebrate in their own traditional way. 3 cheers to the Royal Navy, hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip!